Hey, happy Saturday, guys. Matt here from MyRawIntuition.com, coming to you on a rainy Saturday. But we got some good news. We've got the vacuum blender here today. It showed up last night, and so we are going to make this. I've already used it, and I really liked the smoothie I made yesterday. So I'm just going to show you guys just a quick little demo of how it works. It's a pretty fancy-looking machine. Comes with this nice little carafe here, and we've already got it filled with I don't know how many bananas. There's probably 5 or 6 bananas in there, 2 fresh and the rest are frozen. I got to go back to the store today and get all restocked on my bananas, and then we've got some pineapple, cherry, and flax seeds. All right, so there's a lot of frozen in here. I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna handle it. Again, remember, it was only a $55 blender, but yesterday it worked out. I filled it all the way to the top, and it worked really well. Very smooth, the smoothest smoothie I have literally ever had, so that was pretty cool. All right, so we're just going to take the lid, and you see this lid has a little flap here. That's how you release the compression after you're done blending. All right, so we're just going to fit this on. Make sure it's airtight. Got it. Okay. And now we're going to take this. Slides right in there. Got it in place. Put this down. So now there's a vacuum little nozzle thing on the top of this. You put it down over the top of that little lid piece that the little flap, and that's where it sucks the air out, and it's going to remove the oxygen from in here so that when we blend it, there's way less oxidation, and you can definitely tell a difference after you blend it compared to something like the Vitamix. All right, so we've got it all set up here. We're going to plug it in now. Okay, it's all blue. Blue lights are good. So we're just going to do the V-blend. I'm not an expert on this quite yet. You can just do vacuum, or you can do V-blend. I feel, and it vacuums if you do V-blend, and then it blends on its own. When you vacuum, it just vacuums. So I don't know. I guess
then you would do high or low after, probably. So.
Oh, okay.
To blend it.
All right, so should we just do V-blend?
Yeah.
All right, V-blend it is. Let's see how it handles the frozen fruits. There's a lot more frozen fruits in here than I had yesterday, so let's give it a go. So now you can hear it sucking the air out, and you're gonna start seeing, I don't know if you can get close here, the bubbles. You're gonna start to see bubbles rising up. That's the vacuum taking out the oxygen. All right, it's done vacuuming, so now it's going to start to blend. right, so I guess maybe I need a little more water in there for that much frozen. So, so this, I guess, is one of the downfalls of this sort of a blender. The Vitamix would easily be able to do that without me doing any sort of manipulation. So now, I guess I can show you guys here. We're going to release the oxygen because I'm going to have to take the lid off so you can hear the oxygen
Release.
Yeah, you can hear the suction release out of there. So here we go. There you go. All right, now the lid is a little difficult to get off. Kind of have to work your way around. All right.
Should you mix it with a spoon?
Sure. All right. I'm gonna add a little more water.
Distilled water.
Yes.
That's all the water you think?
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna give it another try. Cat hair all over the place.
Oh.
All right, so again, we're gonna line it up, get it so that it's an airtight seal. And give it another go. The instructions say to get everything set up before you plug it in, so I don't know how important that is. Alright, get the vacuum back on there, plug it in, and let's try it again. So here we go.
That looks like it's going to be amazing. It looks so smooth in there.
Mm-hmm. So it actually looks a lot thicker. Maybe I could have added a little more water, but so here, let's release the compression. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at, there's no air bubbles in there. Like when you mix it with the Vitamix, there's, a lot of air bubbles in there. It's a much lighter color, and this retains its deep color because you're not oxygenating all of those nutrients. So let's give it a try here. It is a little thick. And it's really cold, but it's really good. Yeah.
Does it taste smooth?
Yeah.
Are the flavors more vibrant, like the fruit flavors?
I think so. I don't know. I'd have to try it next, one next to the other to really know. But yeah, it's really good.
But the texture.
Yeah, and the blender, took care of those flax seeds really well. So, it's a really good, so far, that's only my second blend with it, but so far it seems like a really, decent blender. And I really like the concept of removing the oxygen. Makes a lot of sense to me. And I think you can just tell by how smooth it is, and just the flavors are, very pronounced. So far I am a fan, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments box below. And until next time, guys, always follow your raw intuition.